Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Aries ascendant people. I'm gonna tell you all how your year 2022 would be. At the starting of the year, you would be seeing in your second house the planet Rahu in the Taurus sign, in its exalted sign. In your eighth house, there will be a Mars, Ketu, and a Moon conjunction. And in your ninth house, in the Sagittarius sign, there will be a Sun Venus conjunction. And in the 10th house, there will be a Saturn Mercury conjunction. And in the 11th house, you would be seeing the planet Jupiter. So this is the planetary position you will be witnessing at the starting of the year 2022. You know, a very significant thing to note is that in the month of April 2022, three major planets are gonna change their zodiac signs. I mean, the planet Rahu, the planet Jupiter, and the planet Saturn. You know, on the 12th of April 2022, Rahu would be changing its sign from the Taurus sign into the Aries sign. On the 13th of April, a day after Rahu changes its sign, Jupiter will be moving into the Pisces sign. And on the 29th of April 2022, the planet Saturn will be moving into the Aquarius sign. But Saturn wouldn't be remaining there for too long, because on the 12th of July 2022, Saturn will be once again coming back into the Capricorn sign with a retrograde motion. So these are the transits of the major planets which I have just spoken about. Well, Aries ascendant people, seeing the planetary positions in the year 2022, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that in the previous years, I mean before the year 2022, you might be wandering in the wilderness. Wilderness is just like a jungle. There are no paths, there are no roads, there is no light, there are no signs. It is basically a jungle. And in the previous years, you might be wandering in that wilderness. You might not be knowing where you are going. You might not be finding a path for yourself. You might not have had any roads to walk on or to drive on. You might not have had any direction in your life. And if there is no direction in your life, then you must not have had any sort of destination in your life. In other words, you might have remained lost in your life. You must have experienced darkness in your previous years. So your life prior to 2022 would be in a state of confusion. You'd be perplexed about life before 2022. You might be confused about life before the year 2022. But when you enter the year 2022, there is gonna be a dramatic shift in your life. You are gonna find a way for yourself. You are gonna make a breakthrough in your life. You are gonna see light at the end of the tunnel. You are gonna find some concrete roads, some concrete path to walk on in the year 2022. That means you will get a direction in your life at this particular moment. I mean in the year 2022. And when you get a direction in your life, you will get a destination for yourself. You will find a goal and a dream for yourself. You will find the purpose of your life in the year 2022. So you are gonna come out of the wilderness to a place where you will see you are in a very comfortable position. I mean, I'm talking about your life in the year 2022. You are gonna make sufficient progress in your life in the year 2022. That wilderness, that confusion, that perplexity which was ruling you in the previous years will be a thing of the past. But in the year 2022, you will see the bright side of life. You will see light, happiness, joy, prosperity, and more importantly, you will find the calling on your life. You know, the calling of your life is what you are made for, and a job is what you are paid for. So there is a difference between calling and a job. But in this year of 2022, you will find your calling. The calling is something which you were born for. So you are gonna find that path to success, to your purpose of your life, for which you will be known for, and you will start treading on that path towards your purpose of your life. So indeed 2022 is gonna be a great year for Aries ascendant people, because those people who had lost their path in their life and they were into some sort of darkness in their life, they will find a light in their life. They are gonna see light at the end of the tunnel, and they are gonna overcome all those problems and difficulties they were facing in the prior years, in the previous years. Y'all are gonna make a conscious, deliberate and a determined effort to fight everything which is stopping you from achieving your greatness. You will get some unusual strength in you to fight your barriers, hurdles and obstacles. And in the year you would see that you are easily able to overcome any sort of barrier, any sort of obstacle, any sort of hurdles in your life. Though most of the problems, most of the difficulties you would overcome by using your intelligence at this point in time. Your mental work will be more than your physical work in the year 2022. So your determination to fight all your problems and difficulties is gonna pay you off in the year 2022. Well, Aries ascendant people, this is what I wanted to tell you all for the year 2022. Well, let me now start predicting about the Aries ascendant people. Let me start with people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Well, for people who are trying to find a job for themselves, this year is gonna be a very lucky year for y'all. You are gonna get a job in the year 2022, and nothing can stop you in this world from getting that job which you always wanted to have. The planetary positions will support you at this point in time to get that dream job of yours. But don't get complacent listening to me. Keep on working hard. Keep on contacting your prospective employers, your potential employers in the year 2022. And I'm 100% certain that you will get that job which you are looking for. Well, for people who are already doing a job, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a fantabulous time for y'all. You are gonna progress in your job in the year 2022. You are gonna see that you are being respected, admired and appreciated by your bosses at this point in time. You'll exhibit your intelligence in overcoming all your problems and difficulties which you are facing in your job. Your bosses are gonna be very impressed with your work at this point in time, and the work which you will be doing in the year 2022 will form a basis for your future promotions, for your future success in your career as well. So indeed, this year is gonna be a great year for y'all. Y'all are most likely to get an increase in your salary package at this point in time, and a higher designation cannot be ruled out. You might also get a better opportunity for yourself in the year 2022. You might get a better job offer for yourself in the year 2022. Well, for business people, this year is gonna be an okay sort of year for y'all. Neither too good, neither too bad. But let me assure y'all that the business which you will be doing in the year 2022 will be better than the year 2021. Though you might not be personally satisfied with your business, but you'd easily be able to meet your expenses. But you'd easily be able to meet your business expenses, your house expenses by doing that business which you are already doing. In other words, I want to tell you all that don't change your business at this point in time, because later on I see a substantial increase in your business. Though that substantial increase in your business may not happen in the year 2022. Business people have to keep a watch on their employees at this particular moment, because your employees are likely to spoil your reputation in front of your customers in the year 2022. Well, on the health front, this year is gonna be a fantastic year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see great health for yourself in the year 2022. All your past illnesses, all your past diseases are gonna come to an end in the year 2022. You are gonna find a medicine for yourself which is gonna cure you completely in the year 2022. And let me assure you all that the diseases, that the illnesses which you were previously suffering from will never resurface after the year 2022. Well, for people who are having a chronic disease, they need to be very careful at this moment. They need to take very good care of themselves. I mean, in the year 2022. There could be some serious complications arising from that chronic disease which you are currently having. You need to be very conscious of your eating and drinking habits at this particular moment. And if you are involved in any sort of debauchery, my suggestion to y'all would be just forget about them in the year 2022, because this may prove to be detrimental for your health in the year 2022. However, the parts, the organs of the body which you need to take care of is your eyes, your bones, your nerves, your lungs, your digestive system and your liver. So if you face any sort of problems regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then you need to give special attention to it. Well, for people who are in a romantic relationship, this is gonna be a tremendous year for y'all. You and your love partner are gonna enjoy a lot in the year 2022. You and your love partner are gonna start understanding each other better than before. Y'all will have a very strong bonding with each other at this point in time. I mean, in the year 2022. It would be almost impossible for y'all to live without each other in the year 2022, and hence you or your love partner might think of proposing. But my suggestion to y'all would be, please do not marry in the year 2022, as this may not be an auspicious year for y'all to marry. Well, the only problem which I see for y'all is that your friends might try to create a misunderstanding between y'all. They might try to infuse in you some negative feelings about your love partner at this point in time. But my suggestion to y'all would be, don't pay attention to these negative people. Well, for students, this is gonna be a superb year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see sufficient progress in your studies. I mean, you are gonna understand, learn, comprehend, grasp all those subjects which you weren't able to in the previous years. If you are appearing for any sort of exam, any sort of competitive exam in the year 2022, you are gonna pass those exams, those competitive exams with flying colors. The only source of mass distraction for y'all would be the opposite sex. My suggestion to y'all would be, don't indulge with the opposite sex too much in the year 2022. Don't mingle with the opposite sex too much, as this may cause to be harmful to your studies and your concentration. The opposite sex may prove to be a major source of distraction for y'all. So avoid them, ignore them. Well, for married people, this is gonna be a great year for y'all. You will see that you and your spouse are gonna remain in complete harmony with each other. Y'all are gonna work in tandem with each other to uplift your family at this particular moment. You will have a perfect understanding between y'all at this particular moment. You and your spouse are gonna go out of your way to show your love for each other. Y'all are gonna support each other mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically, and I wouldn't be surprised if y'all support each other financially as well. I can only say this, that in the year 2022, your relationship with your spouse is gonna get deeper and stronger than the previous years. So indeed, it is gonna be an excellent time for y'all. Well, for people who are in the stock market, this year is not gonna be a great year for y'all. You are likely to suffer a lot of losses in the stock market. I mean, if you had invested in the stock market earlier, then during the year 2022, you'd be seeing losses on those stocks. But don't panic at this particular moment. Hold on to those stocks in which you are making losses, and you will see profits on those stocks sooner rather than later. You may not see those profits in the year 2022, but sometime later on you may see profits on those stocks. Well, for people who are gambling in the stock market or somewhere else, my suggestion to you all would be, please avoid it. Please ignore gambling in the year 2022. Well, for people who are wanting to invest in the stock market in the year 2022, my suggestion to you all would be, just stay away from the stock market. No fresh investments are recommended to you all by me. Well, for people who are in debt, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a fantastic year for you all. You are gonna get some money, some resources which will enable you to pay your EMIs, your installments in the year 2022. You might be determined to pay off your debt at this point in time. And if you get enough money in the year 2022, which I think you should just pay off that debt in the year 2022 itself. Don't make the mistake of not paying your EMIs, your installments in the year 2022, because later on you might face the anger from your creditors. Hence, you might put yourself in some kind of problem later on. Well, for people who are wanting a fresh loan, my suggestion to you all would be, please do not go for that loan in the year 2022. Well, Aries Ascendant people, I want to tell you all something just now. I want to tell you all that if you have been facing any sort of problems, any sort of difficulties in your life continuously, and you think you can't find a solution to your problems, your difficulties, which has been impacting your life, then I want to tell you all about a remedy just now. Well, all you have to do is give 10 rupees each to 19 different poor people. Additionally, you will have to give an orange beverage to 19 of those different poor people. By an orange beverage, I mean you can give a Fanta orange to those 19 different poor people to whom you have given that 10 rupees each. You can buy a PET bottle of that Fanta orange and give it to those 19 different poor people. That means you'll have to buy 19 PET bottles of Fanta orange. And lastly, you will have to feed a kg of rice to the birds in your country. In India, you can feed that rice to the pigeons. Well, all these 3 steps which I'm talking about have to be done on a Sunday. You can start doing this remedy on any Sunday of the year 2022, and you will have to do this for 5 consecutive Sundays. If you do this remedy, then I am certain that you will get relief from those problems and difficulties. And this remedy is also gonna protect you from all the possible dangers of life in the year 2022. Well, Aries Ascendant people, here is something else for y'all. Well, Aries Ascendant people, I make a very special prayer box and a very special amulet, a pendant, a locket for all you Aries Ascendant people. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems and difficulties in your life, if you have been facing sorrows, miseries, worries in your life, if you have been facing predicaments and ordeals in your life, if you have been facing barriers, hurdles and obstacles in your life, and you think you have tried hard enough to overcome those problems and difficulties without any success, then these remedies are for you. Well, if you install this prayer box in your house or wear this amulet, this locket around your neck, then these remedies are gonna help you to enhance your luck in your life. I mean, these remedies are gonna help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then these remedies are gonna help you to rise up once again in your life and it is gonna make you run towards that thing called success, which we all want. Well, these remedies are godly remedies. These are religious remedies, and these remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I'm talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one creator of this universe, one inventor of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God, that same God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that these remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much completes my general predictions about Aries Ascendant people for the year 2022. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And besides that, if you want to enhance your luck, if you want to improve your luck, if you want to boost your luck in your life, then I have many remedies for you. These remedies which I'm talking about will help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great year of 2022. God bless you all. जय माता दी, जय मां काली।